Hello YouTube, my name is Farlan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today I'm gonna give you a performance review of the Yeezy Boost 700 V2 in the Hospital Blue colorway. So stick around. Before we continue with the video, let me just share you a clip of one of our subscribers that recently won a lifestyle and sneaker t-shirt.
Okay guys, let's do the unpacking ng t-shirt na galing sa Lifestyle and Sneakers. I hope you enjoy the view. Let's do this. This guys, t-shirt galing Sir Manuel of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Tingnan natin. Ano siya guys? Stig. Kung nakikita nyo yung t-shirt, bagay na bagay sa view. Gawa tayo, i-try natin isuot. And meron din siyang details. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell para sa mga upcoming videos nila. Yun siya, isarap. Try natin isuot. Yun guys, ganda na t-shirt. Yan, bagay na bagay sa view natin. Thank you Sir Manuel sa t-shirt. Yan, bagay na bagay sa view. Please continue to support the channel. Please like, share, hit that notification button or bell para sa mga upcoming videos nila. Sa mga giveaway na din. This is Jefferson and see you next time.
Congratulations again Jefferson and thank you for joining our giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, we have another one ongoing right now. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your own size. The main thing you need to do is watch, like, and comment in all our videos this October from the 1st to the 31st. All the other mechanics is posted down below. I know that the Yeezy line is not a performance line of sneakers, but I'm just curious on how they will perform in activities other than walking and just standing around. So I decided to use them during my Fitness Fridays video, and I'll give you guys a feedback on what I experienced. First thing I want to talk about is walking on them. What can you expect when you are walking with the Yeezy Boost 700 V2? So when you're walking on them, as expected, since they're brand new, it's a little stiff. Like you need to break them in first. So as you use them, as you walk on them, they tend to be a little more flexible than when you got them new. So you creased up the material, so you have that flexibility there, and it's a little roomier than the V1s. So this one has more room for your toes to move around. So that's my impression when walking in them. Of course, they have boost, so it's soft, but right now it's still a little stiff. During the workout, first thing we did was the resistance circuit. So we did a lot of lunges and crawls. So performing those exercises, the shoe felt good and stable. So there's no problem doing those in them. So I think doing a resistance training, it's doable, or this shoe is capable of performing in that in those exercises. So it will give you a stable base in your resistance workout. Even if you're doing squats, lunges, kettlebell swings, upper body workout, this shoe can be used for those kind of exercises. Then we proceed to the interval training. We did lateral sprinting. So this is where I have problem with the shoe. So because it has a loose fit on the forefoot area and the heel area, you only get locked down from the lace area part. So let me show you. So on this area of the foot, it's very loose. So my toes can move a lot, and my foot was sliding side to side. I feel a lockdown on this part because of the lacing, and then on this part of the shoe, it's a little loose also, and I think the heel cup is a little it's not sufficient to withstand the lateral movements, especially if you change direction quickly. So definitely this shoe is not for that kind of exercises where you want to do a quick change of direction. It will perform bad on those. So I don't recommend doing those exercises on these shoes. Then I tried running on them for 20 minutes, and it's actually felt good. I felt stable, and I'm not slipping. My feet are not slipping forward, backwards. That means I have the correct size. And since the forefoot area is a little wide, so I can move my toes there comfortably. And then the ankle area has a wide opening, so nothing is rubbing on my ankle, so I won't get any blisters from that area. And then the lockdown is just enough. I think just normal running, as long as you're not trying to break any records, it's perfectly fine to run with them. So what's my take on this? If you're just doing casual running or just going to the gym, I think the Yeezy Boost 700 V2 can be used for that. And remember, I run for 20 minutes. I don't know how it will feel if I run for an hour. So maybe in the future I'll try that. But right now, 20 minutes, I ran for 20 minutes. It felt good. Doing the resistance workout, it felt good also. The only thing is the lateral movement. It's not very stable when you're doing that, changing direction. So I won't recommend it for you to do those movements in this shoe. Anyway, if you have an option, of course you're going to get a performance sneaker for your performance needs. But if you just want to show your individuality or just want to flex in the gym, this is definitely doable. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you have any comments and suggestions, please use the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell, and follow us in all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.